Hello everyone! As we're entering this holiday season, I want to take a moment to connect with all of you. Looking back and reflecting on 2024, it's safe to say that it's been another remarkable year. We celebrated Nu Skin's 40th anniversary and acknowledging our rich history. Together we've achieved so much, building a strong foundation for our future and ongoing success. This year truly has been all about all in. My team and I are all in on our commitment to you. Back in January, we started this year with a highly anticipated ageLOC LumiSpa IO Rose Gold launch. And this was directly followed by our innovative body balance system, TRMe. You sold out the initial stock in no time. Clearly, these are the type of products that people want and need. They have become, by now, some of our best-selling products of the portfolio. And clearly, it's also safe to say that product selections during the Golden Days, Black Friday and Magic Days promotion were spot on. Congratulations to all of you for your impressive sales results during these promotions. And by the way, there's still time for you to join us in our Nurse the Children campaign. This is a project very close to my heart. After visiting Malawi a few years back and seeing with my own eyes the vitamin distribution, I see it works. I can tell you, everybody who contributes to Nurse the Children makes a true difference in Malawi. And per our tradition, in December only, for every 3 Vitamills bags that you buy and donate, we will add 1 extra bag. After all, it's just Christmas only for a short period of time a year. Rewinding back to this past summer, we had the return of our Nu Skin Live event in the US. And this time we combined it with our regional We Go Home success trip. We had more than 200 of our brand affiliates join us for this incentive, and I can promise you we had a blast. Nu Skin Live event was filled with motivating, inspiring talks. We even achieved a Guinness World Record for our Force for Good activities during the event. And in addition, our We Go Home qualifiers had a bespoke program in Provo at our headquarters planned for them. The We Go Home trip is probably one of my personal highlights of the year, as I love meeting our new leadership, and with that seeing our future leadership. It simply makes me excited and very confident in the coming years ahead. I've been with us for some time. You know that Nu Skin is all about celebrating and recognizing success, and we love to travel. This year we took our qualifiers to unforgettable places. Our team elites visited Abu Dhabi and Dubai, and they had a blast experiencing all these destinations and meeting other team elites from all over the world. Here in Europe and Africa, our We Go Far success trip, we took our people to Tagazout in Morocco. I think it's safe to say that everyone who went on one of these trips this year got home with memories that will last them a lifetime. We have new adventures ahead of us, and I hope to see as many of you as possible qualifying to join us on one of those trips in 2025. I can't wait to see what coming years will bring for all of us in terms of innovation and opportunity. And we don't have to look that far. Excitement and transformation are just around the corner. It's time both for you in the field as well as for us here in the corporate team to be laser focused on the business strategies. We know we will foster innovation and growth. We will kickstart the year with a strong TRMe and WellSpa IO incentive, and later in January, the much anticipated retinol product will launch. With all the feedback we have received from you already on that product, we expect it to be super exciting launch. And perhaps more than anything, I'm excited about March. It marks the launch of our new enhanced sales performance plan. For me, that will probably be one of the most important launches that we will have in 2025. As partners, we have exciting times ahead of us. But for now, let's enjoy the holidays. Spend time with family and friends. It's time to relax and recharge. I want to thank you for all that you do. I wish you a wonderful holiday and look forward to connecting with you back in 2025.